morning, everybody. Children, today we are celebrating National Unity Day. So, on account of National Unity Day, we are going to prepare one puzzle, jigsaw puzzle. Okay. So the things required. What are the things required to prepare a jigsaw puzzle? So you can see here, I have given you cardboard. Okay, so you need a cardboard, scale, pencil, eraser, scissor या cutter, watercolor या crayons या sketch pen, and a black color sketch pen या marker pen. So now we will start how to make a jigsaw puzzle. Okay, so you have to take a cardboard, and on this cardboard you have to divide this cardboard into 9 equal pieces. Okay, first you have to divide it into 9 equal pieces. So let's start. So see here how I'm doing it. Okay, first you have to divide it into 9 equal pieces. You have to divide it into 9 equal pieces. And now you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I divide this cardboard into 9 equal pieces. Okay. Okay, so now we have divided this into 9 equal parts. Okay. Now we have to draw different faces. What you have to do? You have to draw in each pieces. You have to draw different face. So let's see how you have to do it. So now you can see here, first you have to draw eyes. Okay, and the lip. Okay, you can see here different faces I'm drawing it. Okay, you have to draw 2 eyes. On each pieces I'm drawing different faces. Okay, you can see here how I'm doing it. Okay, so you have to do it like this only. Okay, like this you have to do it. Okay, so now it's done. What I did first, you have to divide it into 9 pieces, and on each pieces you have to draw different faces. You can see here the different faces are drawn. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to each pieces you have to color it with different color. Okay, so now I'm going to color it. Okay, now you have to color it. Okay, you can use watercolor, crayons, yeah, sketch pen also to color it. Okay, this is how you have to color it. Kids, before coloring it, what you have to do, you have to make a curve on each corner. Okay, so see how I'm doing it. You have to make a curve on each corner. This is how you have to do it. On each corner you have to make a curve. Before coloring it. Okay, you have to make a curve. This is how you have to do it. Okay, before coloring it you have to make a curve on each corner. Okay, now I'm taking another box, another piece of part to color it. Okay, so you have to color it with different colors. Okay, now the next one. Different color you have to color it. Okay, all the parts you have to color it. This is how you have to color it with different colors. Okay, each part, 9 parts, you have to color it with different color. Okay, you can see here how I am doing it. This is how you have to color it. Okay, you can see here all the 9 parts are colored in different colors. Okay, you can use crayons also, a sketch pen to color it. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to color the eyes with black color. Okay, you have to color it with black color. Color it with black color. Okay, okay, this is how you have to do it. You have to give a border, to make a border, outline border. Okay, with a black color. You can color it also. Okay, this is how you have to do it. So now what you have to do, you have to cut this. Okay, from the side, from the corner side, you have to cut all the pieces, all the 9 pieces you have to cut it. Okay, with the help of scissor or cutter. So children, tell your parents to cut. Okay, now you have to cut it different pieces. Okay, you can see here how I am cutting it. You have to cut into different pieces. Okay, this is how you have to do it. See here, different pieces you have to cut it. You can use small scissor for cutting. Okay, so you can see here I cut these pieces. Okay, 9 pieces I have cut this. Okay, now what you have to do, now you have to join this together. आपको क्या करना है, you have to join it together, you have to combine it together. Okay, you have to solve the puzzle. So these different pieces you have to join it in one. So now I'm going to do it. Okay, see how I'm doing it. You have to solve this puzzle. Okay, this one, the different pieces of puzzle, you have to join it together. This is how you have to do it. Okay, See how, see, this is ready. What I have done, that after cutting they get separated, the 9 pieces get separated, and then you have to join it, you have to combine it together. Okay, combine together is called unity, right? So these all 9 pieces, they joined it together, they came together, it's called unity. Okay, so kids, this is how you have to make a puzzle. I hope you will enjoy it. Do try at home. Bye. Take care.